But for this video, I think we decided to have some fun, and we decided to make the worst team possible.
The worst.
Okay.
Yeah.
And this is like basically what we came up with.
Okay.
Like, first of all, like let's start with our attacking midfield.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we got Nikola Motors.
Okay.
So Nikola Motors, they specialize in electric and hydrogen-powered trucks. In the last 12 months, they earned $95,000 in revenue.
Hold on a second. Okay, what exchange are they listed on?
New York Stock Exchange.
So this is a company on the New York Stock Exchange that their revenue was how much?
$95,000.
$95,000. I drive a truck. Vic drives a bus. We made more than $95,000 last year.
Yeah.
Okay, all right. Okay.
And so they made $95,000 revenue, but their net loss was $385 million.
Holy shit.
Okay.
So why was this stock highly touted? What was the hype around this stock?
Well, they're making electric vehicles. So everyone's like, oh, well, the electric vehicles are the future, so I want to be in electric vehicles. And then all these YouTube guys, we're going to make videos about electric vehicle stocks, and then we're going to pump those. And basically everyone like gets into the stock market. They're like, well, I want to get into the stock market. What should I buy? And they go on YouTube and they watch these videos, and everyone's talking about electric vehicles. So everyone wants to buy electric vehicles.
Okay, so playing devil's advocate here, just to as an aside, just because that stock did not so well during the last little while, would that be something to hold on to long term because of their plan?
No. Well, let's see.
Okay, all right.
Okay. Well, so Nikola Motors has a market cap of $5.5 billion.
Okay.
That basically means like that's basically whoever's buying into Nikola values the company at $5.5 billion.
Okay.
Even though they only made $95,000. Okay. But since June 2020, their share price is down 85%.
Wow.
So if you bought Nikola Motors at the top, you're down 85%.
Okay.
And so you have to ask yourself, like, are you going to be like Maradona, and are you going to double down on Nikola Motors?
I would not do that.
That's a good strategy.
Okay, all right.
We will get. Okay, so reason why.
Remember, I'm the moron here. Yeah, I think it's explaining this.
So Nikola Motors, they got a lawsuit against them because, quote, they had an intricate fraud built on dozens of lies.
Oh my god.
Okay, so here's what happened. Okay, so there was a lawsuit. Okay, basically they had a deal with General Motors to make electric trucks. But it got found out that they were doing a demo video, and then basically what they did is they towed the truck up a hill, put it in neutral, and then just filmed it rolling down the hill.
Ooh.
So their truck didn't actually work.
Okay.
So that was in the lawsuit, and the company does not dispute that they did this. So all they're saying is like, well, actually, we never stated that the truck was driving under its own propulsion in the video. Because they're basically trying to weasel their way out of the fact that they just lied to everyone.
Right.
So you don't want to be involved in a company that's just like flat out just lying to you.
No.
Yeah.
And where did you have them on the soccer field?
Attacking midfield.
Attacking midfield. All right.